Senate President Tito Soto says he will support any effort for charter change following the Supreme Court's decision upholding the unconstitutionality of the articles of impeachment against Vice President Sara Duterte. In an online interview on Friday, January 30, Soto says he intends to meet with House Speaker Bogie Diaz soon to discuss the two chambers' next steps. According to Soto, he sees the move of amending the Constitution as an immediate solution. This follows the Supreme Court ruling that the Senate President says changed the rules on impeachment.
What we can do is meet with them. Congress, House of Representatives.
Okay.
Pag-usapan lang yung issue pag-usapan namin yan. Kasi ang nakikita ko na outright solution dito, which could not be called outright, palitan na natin konstitusyon. Baguhin na natin pagka ganyan, pagkatapos marahil yung Constituent Assembly makakagalaw dyan or maghihintay tayo decades.
Explaining his remark, Soto says there is a need to wait for the present Supreme Court justices to retire first before there comes a change in thinking in the High Court. He then laments the unanimous decision made by the judges, saying that it was puzzling to him.
Baka nga it will take years, mga retirement, bago tayo sana makakilos at mailagay natin uli sa lugar sa konstitusyon natin. Kung hindi nila ako, ayoko ng CONCON, ayoko ng Constituent Assembly, pero pagka ganyan ang usapan, payag na ako.
While Soto admits that he has only seen snippets of the Supreme Court's decision, he says the court's decision to change certain impeachment rules has made the process extremely difficult, even calling it an impossible dream.
Dati nga madali, sapagkat yan talaga nilagay sa konstitusyon yan ng mga gumawa ng konstitusyon, lalo na yung option 3, na sinatawag nilang option 2, na 1/3 signatures lang, forward na kagad. Di ba dati nga, prayer lang, pinorward na Di ba? Sapagkat mayroon ng 1/3 na nakapirme. Hindi pwede magtagal. Kaya nilagay yun dun bakit natin pahihirapin ngayon? Katulad ng ginawa ngayon, at humihirap na. Talagang, kaya sabi ko, forgive me, but I think impeachment now is an impossible dream.
He even emphasized that the Constitution was violated by the court's decision to alter the impeachment process. The Supreme Court earlier ruled the impeachment complaint against Duterte was banned by the Constitution's one-year rule. The Constitution states that no official can face more than one impeachment proceeding within 1 year. The court held that the earlier 3 complaints, though archived, still triggered the one-year ban, thereby making the 4th complaint unconstitutional.